Welcome. Today in front of me OPPO Reno 5Z, and I'll show you how to change icons shape with the X-Icon Changer app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter the X-Icon Changer. And now we should get this application. That's why just tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Then just tap here to open the application. And after that we can see here all of the applications which we can select. And for example, let's use the phone application. Here we can just see the folders with all of the available icons. We can use also our photo from device gallery or just to take a picture right now in the camera app. For example, I'll go with this icon. Just tap here to OK on the right upper corner. Now we should just skip these videos, and after that we should click here to add the shortcut to our home screen. We can go to the desktop directly, or we can change the next icon by the same way, and that's it. So now we can see here the new phone icon, and this is the old one, so we can here see the difference between them. So that's it. That's how to change icons shape on our OPPO Reno device with X-Icon Changer app. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.